What happens when Suzuki decides to break all the rules? The 2026 RM-Z 1050 happens, and it's absolutely game-changing. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into Suzuki's boldest move yet, the all-new 2026 RM-Z 1050. Design. Let's start with design. Suzuki has completely reimagined what a performance motorcycle should look like. The aggressive front fairing flows seamlessly into a sculpted fuel tank, while the sharp tail section gives it an unmistakably modern presence. The new metallic thunder blue colorway is stunning, and overall build quality feels premium throughout. It's bold, refined, and demands attention. Performance. Under that striking exterior sits a 1050cc parallel twin engine, delivering an impressive 118 horsepower. Throttle response is crisp yet manageable, making it thrilling on highways and confident through twisty roads. The updated suspension absorbs imperfections beautifully, and the lightweight chassis keeps handling sharp and responsive. Features and technology. Suzuki hasn't held back on tech either. You get a vibrant 7-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, multiple riding modes, cruise control, and a sophisticated quick-shifter. Cornering ABS and traction control work flawlessly, providing confidence without feeling intrusive. Conclusion. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 proves Suzuki is ready to compete with the best. It's powerful, refined, and packed with features that truly matter. What do you think about Suzuki's latest creation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. Thanks for watching. Ride safe.